Yeah.
I'm getting that point, deal.
There were hardly words. Now how do we get out of this thing?
Did he tell you he's thinking of getting one?
Oh, I see your priorities. Jake, jail, and then home.
Mom, it was just unfinished business is all.
Jake's doing all right. Boy's going places.
Once upon a time, you were going places, too. Here are your tickets.
These were a gift. I'd rather you guys just use them.
Nie łudźmy się, kończę.
Such.
You know what I can't understand is how y'all visit every stupid battlefield in the continental U.S., but you can't manage to visit your only daughter.
Well, the door
That's
swings
explica,
both ways, sweetie. And anyway, don't get me started on the things I don't understand.
Molly video.
Mama, your dream for me was to get out of this place and be somebody. That's why you shoved me in every beauty pageant in the state.
I'm just saying is all.
What? What are you doing?
Come here.
Everybody just tell me what I can do to make you happy. Just make yourself happy, darling. Done. We're there. All right? You know, I
Aw,
really
Billy.
can't think of myself. I have a career. People actually want to be me. And somebody loves me, and I love him.
Pearl, why don't you get us something that blown the cake out the icebox? Your mom is a complex woman.
Mom.
I don't know.